Hi guys, so I want to show you how you can quickly set up this software email validation system. Okay, so I don't need to start explaining the features here. So the purpose of this video is to teach you how you are going to set up the software. Okay, so I want to assume that you have downloaded the software online, either from GitHub or from Source Code or from sourceforge.net or from any other blogs online there. Okay, so I want to teach you how you are going to set it up. Okay, either you are using XAMPP or WAMP server or LAMP or WAMP or Secret Pro or any other server that can successfully run PHP locally. Okay, so I want to teach you how you are going to set that up locally. All right, so also I don't know if I'm going to cover how to set it up on your live server. I don't know, but I'm going to teach you how to set it up locally. Okay, so I want to assume that you downloaded the software. Okay, so you put the software in your text editor. Okay, and this is the file here, email validation. Okay, so you can decide to name it anything. Okay, so it doesn't mean, but I chose to use email validation. Okay, so if you have the file with you, okay, so I want you to go to the click on the folder, the email validation. Okay, so I want you to go to component. Okay, so I wanted to go to component, and I wanted to go to info folder. All right, so you are going to see these email.sql. Actually, this is what we want to use to set up the database. Okay, so what you need to do is just Control A on your keyboard, or you go to edit. All right, go to edit, then click on select, or I'm not sure, is it there? Okay, selection, sorry. So go to selection, click on select all. Okay, then you go to edit, then you click on copy or Ctrl C on your keyboard. Okay, so the next thing is we want to open our PHP my admin. Actually, I should explain some basic things to you. Okay, so actually you need to download WAMP server from the official website, or you need to download XAMPP. Okay, or XAMPP or XAMPP. Okay, so you need to download them. So when you download XAMPP, that you installed all your WAMP server, you installed on your system. Okay, so after you have successfully installed the WAMP server or XAMPP on your system, then you can now start the processing. I'm just showing you now. Okay, so actually you can just comment on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can just comment that I should teach you how to download the WAMP server, because not everybody are developers. Okay, there's some people who are newbies, they don't know how to install the WAMP server. You can just ask me. Okay, send a message through my mail. I will quickly do a simple video for you, or to a screenshot, or I can just help you through a team viewer. Okay, I can teach you through team viewer. Okay, I can just remote your computer from anywhere I have. Okay, so that is that about how to download from the official website. I mean WAMP server or XAMPP. Actually, I have installed WAMP server on my system. Okay, and so I'll be using WAMP server to teach you. I'm sorry about that. Okay, if you are not familiar with WAMP server, but it's not a big deal anyway. So if you know XAMPP or MAP, you should be able to catch up with what I'm saying and do that on your system successfully. Okay, so actually what we have done is we have clicked on this component, we've clicked on this info folder, and we have clicked on this email.sql, and also we have pressed Ctrl A on our keyboard and also Ctrl C on the keyboard to copy. Okay, so we want to go to our PHP my admin. Okay, so I want to assume that your server is running. Okay, so it's running either XAMPP or WAMP server. Okay, then you now click on this logo, or you can easily go to your address bar 127.0.0.1 in error. Okay, so these are the softwares I've actually developed on this server. All right, so I will need to put slash then PHP my admin error. Okay, so this is my PHP. This is my server, my back end. Okay, so what we need to do is just to click on databases, then let's call it or email validation, then error. Okay, so I've clicked on error. Okay, then the next thing is you can import. Okay, you can import directly, or I love doing it in this way. Just click on this SQL. Okay, then click inside, and then you press Ctrl V on your keyboard, Ctrl plus V, to paste it, the what we have actually copied from this place. Okay, then once you have pasted it, then you click on this go. All right, then you click on this go. Okay, so we only have a single tab there. All right, so the next thing is go to your text editor. Okay, then inside you can close this one. Actually, we don't need it anymore. All right, then you can, the next thing is to go to your function folder. All right, the function folders, click on it, click on this DB for database connection. Okay, then here just change messenger to email validation. Okay, then control, or then you go to file, then you click on save, then you can press Ctrl plus X, okay, to save it. All right, Ctrl X on your keyboard to save the changes. Okay, so that is that about the database connection. So let's try to run a software if the software is working fine. All right, then the name of the folder is email validation error. Okay, so if you have follow up my steps, you should get something like this. Okay, so if you don't type anything, then you click on user login, there is an error. Can you see that? A warning rather, email field cannot be empty. Email free, actually it should be email and password. We're gonna correct this, okay, in a moment to come. All right, then you can just do normal registration here. Now free some, if I click on create new, okay, it will tell me that first name must be less than 3 characters, last name must not be less than 3 characters, email cannot be less than 3 characters. Okay, so it will tell me everything. All right, so once I fill my details, let me say YouTube. All right, YouTube, let me just copy, let me just copy, let me say YouTube at youtube.com. okay, then if I click on what my username, let me say YouTube. Okay, YouTube, let me retype my password, YouTube. Okay, then YouTube. So if I click on create new account, can you see that? So your password field, do not mind because I did not type the same thing. All right, so let me quickly type a correct information now. Okay, I can just put something here, YouTube, the username, let me say YouTube, then my password 123456, then 123456. okay, if I click on create new account now, can you see that? So please check your email or spam for activation link. Actually, what this code does is to actually get the email of the new registered users, okay, by sending the activation link to that email addresses. Okay, so if we should type something now like YouTube, you want to log in, and I type 123456, click on okay, can you see that your credentials are not correct because we have not actually activated the account. Okay, so if you upload this source code to your live server, okay, and perform some settings which I'll be showing you in a moment to come, then you should get the activation link, okay, in your email address. I am pretty sure of that, honestly speaking. Then you cannot follow the link to activate the user. So once the email is activated, the account rather, so you can now successfully log in here. Okay, actually when you log in, all right, there is nothing much there. Okay, you are not doing anything because this source code aims to registered new students send the activation link to their email address. Follow the activation link to activate the user, okay? And also, if a specific user forgot their email addresses, they can easily come to this place and type their email address. You to click on user login. Can you see that? We also have, please check your email or spam folder for password reset code, okay? So this is actually sending the code to our email address, okay? Then once you now follow the link, it will take you to where you are going to supply the code. So once you supply the code successfully, then it will now take you to where you are going to reset the password, and that is exactly what this code does, okay? So I'm just teaching you how to set it up, okay? And that is why I'm not showing you exactly how it functions, okay? Because it's just a simple code. Once you are able to set it up correctly, you should text the software and the software should work, okay? So after we have successfully set up the database, okay, the next thing is to show you some basic things there you need to change, okay? So go to functions.php. Here is here, okay? Then scroll down. Scroll down. This is a function that handles the email validation registration, the user registration, okay, validation. These are functions that handle that, okay? So this is where we have texted if there is less than minimum, which is our minimum is 3, and maximum is what is 20. That means if what you have typed is greater than 20 words, it will tell you that it's too large, that the whatever you're going to type should be between the 3 and 20, okay? So let me just quickly show you where you are going to do some settings. Now I want you to go to functions, register user, okay? So here we have the activation account. This is the subject you are going to see in your email address, okay? So actually this is working with a local server, all right? So here I'm expecting you to put your domain, because this code works fine on live server. For example, optimum@linkup.com.ng, all right? Then the name of the folder, okay? Email validation. Actually, you can choose anything, all right? So provided you want to use this as a subdomain, okay? So the name of the folder should be typed here, and other thing, I think other things are fine, except for these domain name here and the name of the folder, which you may likely to leave exactly like this, or you may decide to change. Also with your domain name, please put your domain name here, okay? Put your domain name here. Let me handle that, okay? Now your email address, okay? You are actually sending a validation key to the registered user email address, okay? So you can put your own email address here, okay? So that the user will see that this email is actually coming from this email address, okay? Another thing that you need to do here is, I want you to scroll down, go through function recover password, okay? So what we have done up here, I want you to repeat the same thing, okay? So what you need to do is just to change these link here to your particular domain link, and also the email validation folder, change it to the name of the folder you have used, okay? So I think the software should work effectively, and that's all, okay? So nothing much, there is nothing again, all right? So, and that is how to set up this particular software you have downloaded, okay, online. So I want to hope you enjoy this tutorial very well, okay? Please, if you do, subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? Like our page, comment if there's any error, message us on our email address or on YouTube channel. We are going to reply to your mail in less than 24 hours, okay? So if there is any issue, let us know, okay? And I want to show you something, okay? please, we are on Udemy. Okay, so I'm gonna send you this link. Okay, I'm gonna include this link to this folder. Okay, so here we are teaching you how to develop a complete school management system, okay, using Code Igniter. Okay, and it's a very powerful software we'll be teaching you, and you are going to get all the source codes in the database. Okay, you're going to get it. You're going to get the source code in the database. Okay, and so please subscribe to our Udemy, okay, Udemy channel, and follow us along as we build awesome offline school management system together. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate you once again. Bye for now.